Hello everyone. I give thanks for the blessing of offering today's English worship service. May the Lord grace overflow in our worship. Let's begin worship time with praise. The song we'll be singing today is Scandal of Grace. Our salvation and hope are found in Jesus alone. Let us praise the Lord with hearts full of gratitude for His abundant grace. Grace, grace, what have you done? Murdered for me on the cross. I couldn't have sense of wrong. My sin washed away in your blood. But to make sense of it all, I know that your love breaks my fall. The scandal of grace, you died in my place. My soul will live, oh, to be like you. Give all I have just to know you. Jesus, there's no one beside you. Forever the hope in my heart. Yes, where is your sting? Your power is the dead as my sin. The cross has taught me to live. The mercy in my heart now to see. The day and its troubles